Hello everyone, this is Devmitra from Pension Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, we all spend a lot of time in Puja and Diwali and all those occasions that's going on in our life. So right now, I am back in work. Alok sir is over here. What is our purpose to serve you guys? The only thing that you need to make a proper career startup. So in PCS Global, we provide the opportunities. So Alok sir is with us. Hello sir, how are you?
So, Namaskar. Uh, so, thank you, Devamitra, for inviting me. Okay, to do a
My pleasure,
further
sir.
level of discussion. Okay, so let us tell what we can discuss today. What is the
Yeah.
your plan for today?
So, sir, I wanted to know, can we conduct one program where our freshers can meet with you and can talk with you and in offline mode?
Okay, so yes, why not? Even it is
So
my
is there
heart with
any
all us.
planning for this program?
Yes, after leaving TCS, and it is a 15 days, I thought actually, so we want to door are open so that freshers, professionals, they can meet me in person. And
Oh,
definitely,
great.
I will try to share my knowledge of experience of the 18 years experience in IT industry, okay, top level service company I have worked.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, if my knowledge can be fruitful and valuable to the others, okay, why should I hesitate? I'm ready, and that's the reason. Okay, yes, we are thinking to do some offline meetup program in Bangalore meetup for PCS Global. We are going to start from this Saturday.
Okay. So this is a great news for the fresher candidates who is looking for this type of programs because we all know that in our career startup we need some support, we need some guidance, but sometimes without having the proper knowledge we made so many mistakes. So what is the purpose of this program, sir, if you elaborate about that?
Yes, the moment you know, my heart with always compassion with the freshers. So this is the okay
Yes, sir.
meetups, Bangalore meetup. Okay, primary intention to reach our youngsters, especially
Okay.
who are in Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay, in every month, throughout the year, across our country, freshers, job seekers, their prime destination is Bangalore.
True.
And really, it is a what they are doing. Even they thought after okay, when they are in college,
Mhm.
in freshers, they thought college is responsible to give them job.
Mhm.
But then when their degree complete, today you know what is due to recession, campusing is very, very low.
Absolutely. Yes, yes.
So then 2023, all freshers, there is a rush to come to Bangalore. But what is the next destination? They thought all institutes in Bangalore, they are telling 100% placement. It is a myth, but it is not the reality. It is a
Yeah.
myth, it is not a reality. So they thought institute will give them 100% job. But again, a course completed and with a basic training, when they spent 6 months, 1 year with the investment of the okay a large amount of money in PG, then and institute cost and others accommodation cost, then they realize they lost career, okay, their career gap. Again, they okay,
They
spend
lost
a
their
valuable
time
time.
as well as the money
Yes,
also.
time and money both lost. And
True.
even you cannot calculate, it is a very large amount.
So what we
And
call the cost of ignorance.
yes, the cost of ignorance. And then they, when they realize, it go out of their grip. So now in
Okay.
Saturday meetup, Bangalore meetup, we are planning to handhold them, we guide them, even so that they can build a better career and they can, yes, today's freshers are very intelligent. Even today's informations are very easily reachable. With a
True.
single okay, click, you can get all of the best materials. Okay, I have given entire Java full stack. PCS Global, all entire full stack
Yeah, in our
sessions are in
YouTube
the
channel,
okay.
they can go through and they can get the technical knowledge. But how to start, they don't
Yes.
know.
Main challenge is that fresher do not know. Okay, the YouTube YouTube is full of so much lucrative and better quality material, and so that if they little bit award, even they should not spend so much huge money to an institutes. So it is a purpose. Not only that, I don't have any issue with the institute. They can get some basic knowledge, but they need to be very clear roadmap. They need to be handled. They need to avoid, so that they should not generate no more career gap.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so
That's
that
the
is the
basic
reason
thing.
we
Yeah.
want to
If we
guide
say
them.
that we can provide them placement, then they need to do that.
Yes.
That is another thing.
Next, they are many cases confused. Today, Salesforce can be a game changer today's time,
Yes,
but freshers are not
absolutely.
aware. Only they are blindly, whether it is a suitable for them or not suitable. Everybody thought AI machine learning for everybody. No, it is not for everybody. There are so much better skill you can build up with the other skill set. So here in this Bangalore meetup, we are going to clarify the each and every resource who are attending this physical meetup. So which skill set will be the best for them? What are the doubts and queries in a fresher's mind? Every questions will be clarified with my best industry effort and knowledge. Okay, so that they can get a new path, new career in their life.
Okay, sir. Great. So, sir, what are the activities will be there? Is it only will be a session for them, or any fun activities will be there for them?
Okay, so it definitely it will be a session will be fun-filled activities also. So first things, yes, we are going to demonstrate them roadmap, architecture of the every technology. Okay, what is the proper roadmap and what is the architectural background? Next, we are going to conduct quiz. We are going to there will be lots of gifts and lots of memento.
Oh wow!
And it will be every participant should get some it is a token of gift from the organization.
Great.
Again, who are industry professionals, they can also attend this event, especially who have spent in industry 2 years, 4 years. Even many of the associates, they spend a longer time in MNC company. But now they need to migrate, they need to change, they need to cross skills. Today it is a knowledge industry. The day someone will be stop upgrade themselves, that their career is
their
end.
position will be certain. Right?
Yes. So even in my entire long career, every year till I'm learning multiple skill set. Even now it is more emergency. I'm picking more skill set in nowadays. So how they can pick up, even because they have a delivery schedule, project type line,
yes, there are
deadline
timelines
also.
for them.
So in between, how they can upgrade. So they are also target audience. Even many of the female associates, even they have some career break or some reason they are not only for female, it's applicable for different reasons. It happens, who want to return back to again mainstream of the IT career, who have deviated from the another career path, want to build IT career path, they can join. So it is a seat is limited, but definitely we are expecting some prior appointment with a Google form, attached with this video.
Yes, the
and
Google form
this
will be
event will be really best in class, and it is happening in our own premises, PCS Global own premises.
PCS Global own premises.
Everybody keeps enough time. Will be how much time will be required? We'll be interact with each and everybody individually and also in a group. So
sir will be there, right? Alok sir will be present there over there.
Yes, definitely. Myself will be present there, and we are inviting also other industry friends, so that they can also contribute. Beyond it, who are watching this video, even who are not at this moment Bangalore, who are in other cities.
Yes, I'm going to ask that if some people are not in Bangalore, they are not lucky enough to join offline classes. So what will be the process for them? How
Yes,
they can
they should not
communicate with you?
demotivated. And it is another planning is there. definitely it is my mission to bring smile for millions of the professionals. So
True.
in entire my career, I have tried to, okay, handhold guidance, and also, okay, even some troubleshooting, problem solving, okay, of any professionals, so that they can reach us. We are planning another schedule in appointment basis in Sunday afternoon, okay, so that we who are in other cities and they can attend in online mode in June.
Mhm.
Beyond
So
it,
the Bengaluru meetup is going to happen in Saturday from 5 p.m. in
yes,
offline mode, and
yes,
in online it's going to happen at Sunday from 4 p.m.
Sunday
Right?
4 p.m. Okay, it is a
Okay.
2 hours duration. Okay,
Okay.
going to
Okay.
for Sunday
This is the
online
scheduled timing.
and okay Saturday offline. Beyond
Okay.
it, whenever I am visiting, okay, I'm traveling to the multiple cities in India. So
Mm-hmm.
definitely, whenever I'll go to the next city, and we'll be
There will
proud
be all
inform the
meetup
social
program for
media,
them.
so that a meetup will be happen. Previous month we have done Bhubaneswar meetup. Okay, so many
Yes.
associates they have joined
Mm-hmm.
and they have attended, and definitely it will be bring changes the, okay, freshers life.
True. So, sir, in this meetup, if some people who wanted to join and they need to know about the technologies, so is it going to give the knowledge by your side? You are going to give them the knowledge, or the industry experts will be there?
Yes, myself will be there definitely,
Okay.
and definitely who are others, okay, our peer friends and colleagues, and
Mm-hmm.
definitely some of them are joining online, some of them are in physically also.
So,
So
if
it is
someone
a
wanted to connect one to one in person with you, so what they will do?
yes, uh, believe me, it is a such a rush. It is a one-to-one. It is a some stringent. Okay, so definitely for one-to-one meetup. Okay, I will be ask them to connect with your number to a special appointment, and definitely will be plan it and based upon appointment and your convenient time
Okay.
with you,
Okay.
and you can feel free to reach me and connect, and
Sure.
definitely I will try to give your support.
Yeah, because these programs are going to happen in groups. So if someone wanted to connect with you, there will be lots of questions in their mind. So it will be appointment basis. If someone wanted to connect with you, they can communicate with me, and I will provide you the appointment timing. Only that time you can connect with Mr. Alok Khalda, Alok sir. Okay.
Yeah.
He is
Yes,
18
it
years
is a.
industry
I
expert.
want to share a point here. I
Mhm.
recently I am getting lots of call youngsters who are working somewhere, but they
Mhm.
are facing lots of challenges. So you are aware that we have initiated another. Okay, it is a
Job support. Right,
okay,
right.
job
That is
support
our
or
very
troubleshooting
potential.
support. If
Yes.
you are freshers or if you are experienced professional, but till you are struggling with some areas
Serious problem.
troubleshooting and due to
Troubleshooting. Yes.
troubleshooting. Okay, so feel free to reach us, and we'll be connect with the right professional, right persons, so that
Who
you
can
can,
give you the
okay, you
yes,
can
yes.
get a quick solution according to our level based effort. So your location is not a matter. You wherever in the part of the, okay, world you can reach us,
Yes,
you
we
can
can
connect.
connect going virtual mode. True.
And another news I want to share with you, and very soon we are bringing for international. Okay, so beyond our country. Okay, so that other students from different nationals they can join. Okay, some
Great.
specific planning. Okay, it is coming very soon, and definitely will be create a
Mhm.
separate video and separate session for it, and we are going to do a special session for our, okay, foreign nationals also.
Mm. Great, great. So, guys, this is about the Bengaluru Meetup program. Kindly join this program in offline mode. If it's not possible to join in offline mode, you can join in online mode also. Timings has been already declared in this video. Kindly go through this video, and Alok sir, Mr. Alok Khalda is 18 years experience candidate, sorry, a mentor in industry. So if you wanted to know about the roadmap of technologies like Salesforce, like Java, Java DevOps, and how to start your career, that guidance is very much needed. So you connect with us and you will get to know about everything. Okay. So thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time for this session also.
So all of you, it is a message to immediately you should register in Google form attached with this video,
Yes,
and see you in Bangalore meetup and Saturday meetup. And irrespective of any technology, you can feel free come up, meet up with me, and definitely,
obviously.
okay, if you come here and with an effort, and you will be not return back in empty hand. It will be something, okay,
You will get,
surprise with you. Okay, maybe
yeah,
it is a knowledge gift, maybe with a others gift, and end of the day, it is a good network with coffee with, okay, it's a PCS Global. So definitely I invite with you, okay, to spend
everyone
your
kindly
from busy
visit.
schedule.
Yeah. So
Yes,
Alok sir is giving you the time from his busy schedule also. So you need to maintain that and kindly visit over PCS Global's office, which is located in Bengaluru. Sir, can you tell one more time about the venue?
yes. Bhenu is the heart of the Bangalore. Okay, it is a Kormogola. So here 57 by 56. It is a Chikkalokimaya road layout, and Bangalore it is a 29. So I want to give the guidance. If you come from Whitefield side, okay, so you need to either you need to come to Silbord, or you need to change in Agada in public transport, and definitely you need to come to in Christ University bus stop and just cross the road. Okay, it is a Prestige Technopolis Accenture building, and just 2 minutes distance come to Paulson Hotel and near Science Day Hotel, and same, okay, internal road come to Beyond Health Medical, just opposite is a PCS Global big signboard is there, and there is a already live locations in our website pcsglobal.in in contact us page. Okay, please visit and feel free to connect with the supporting number in the Google form also. Okay, those who are in coming from Electronic City, okay, directly there is a multiple public transports are there. Those who are in BTM layout, there is a it is a just a 2 kilometer distance. Okay, you can come, okay, any transport, and come here, meet here. I hope your Saturday will be, okay, memorable.
True. So in this note, I want to finish this session. And if you wanted to join, do what sir has said. So thank you, sir. And kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do comment below if you find my videos are helpful. So this is from
Thank you.
Devmita's side. Welcome.